know what it was. It is what it is. Whatever you did, it is what it is. And hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Obviously, it's me, B, whatever. So today, by the title, you can tell that we is doing another like it's like the last video I did, but this one is things that guys do that get girls tight. Okay, so you know, me and my fellow ladies put together a little list so y'all don't get us tight. And my hair is like this because I was gonna put it down in the video, but like I was hoping that nobody was gonna be home to do that. And then my mom came home, so now she left again, so I gotta rush. So I'm gonna just do it. I'm gonna just take it down in the video. Anyways, so the first thing that one of my fellow ladies suggested to me was the first thing that guys do that get us tight is exist. I thought this was hella funny because y'all deadass just annoying just for being here. Like, we don't even need y'all for real. But that was mad funny. So the next one was spit. Boy, I hate when a guy feels the need to spit right next to me. Like, I understand sometimes you gotta get it out. That's fine, but like, step over to the side. Like, you don't have to be like about to spit on my face. Like, niggas just don't be caring. Like, I don't want to know that's coming out of your throat. Like, and then you want to kiss me? Like, ew, nasty. Everything you just threw out passed through all of your tongue, lips, all of that. Like, now it's in your breath. Ew. Like, I don't want to see or hear that. Like, ugh. And then when it hit the floor, it'd be so strong. Like, oh my God, no. Just stop spitting in front of us. Like, walk over to the side. I don't want to see that. Come on now, nasty. Okay, so the next one was when you have a girlfriend, but you trying to talk to me. First of all, niggas is trifling. Y'all be trife. And so many guys do this. Like, be having a whole bitch, whole baby mother, whole wife. Okay? Like, listen. And like, why would I want to be with a nigga that is cheating on his girlfriend to talk to me? Like, what? You think I want you? I don't want you, goofy. You silly right now. So the next one is when guys say, smile, baby, or like, why you look so mad? Smile, it's so beautiful. Shut up. Like, first of all, I'm just going to work. If I don't want to smile, who are you to tell me to smile? Like, I really hate that. Because niggas be like, you too beautiful to not smile. I'm like, you don't even know me. I could be your worst nightmare. Like, how you know I'm too beautiful for anything? That shit is annoying. Like, I don't want to smile, so I'm not going to smile. Like, you think you telling me that I need to smile is going to make me smile? I'll be like, keeping my face mad straight. Like, leave me alone, son. Facts. Oh, okay. So the next one is when they tell you you're beautiful, then ask you what you're mixed with. Yo, this one is really facts because niggas be really like, why I gotta be mixed with anything? Like, people be thinking I'm Spanish or like just Spanish, to be honest. And I just be like, why? Do I look Spanish to you? Why? Like, I'm just like, please. I'm Haitian. I'm mixed with Haitian and Haitian. Like, nobody's mixed. Like, I don't have to be mixed to be beautiful. Like, I don't have to be mixed for my hair to be good. Like, I don't understand. Like, I don't have to be mixed for my skin color to be the way it is. Like, I don't understand none of that. Like, what? Shut up. Okay, so the next one is We hate when y'all niggas feel the need to like mad pictures on Instagram. We hate that. Let me tell you why. Because it sounds a little childish. Granted, it's only Instagram. Social media does not determine your life or how do you live your life. Granted. But let me tell you what it looks like to us. So say you're scrolling down, minding your own business, and then all you see is, I said, I'm your girl. You on your Instagram. All you see is scrolling down your Instagram, fine ass niggas. You scrolling by fine ass niggas. And then all you see is first person, be foreign, be foreign, be foreign, be foreign, be foreign. It's like, damn. Like, can you swing one my way? Like, why you have to like all of them? You can't mentally like them, because we all do that. We all mentally like something. We be like, oh, this is nice, and then just scroll right past it. So why you couldn't do that? Why you had to send that notification? You're fiending. We don't like it. Stop doing that. Because Instagram knows. Instagram is informing me. Instagram is watching you, and it's getting me tight. So stop liking all these girls' pictures because they're not that cute anyways. Period. So the next one is when guys take okay, so when they text you first, you answer back, and then they take forever, ever to reply. Like, did you die? Did you die? What happened in the 2 seconds I took to respond? You texting another bitch? Nah, that's dead how shit goes down in our brains. Like, oh, really? You on a phone with some other bitch? Facts. So, y'all need to stop doing that because that's not cute. Like, don't text me if you're not ready to have a convo. Period. I don't need you texting my phone anyways. Nah, I be telling people, you lucky I don't got minutes on my phone because you running up my minutes. Nah, that shit is mad funny. Okay. Well, this is a good one. We hate when you guys don't communicate. A guy has a problem. He gonna go the hardest to act like he don't have a problem. Like, say you know when bae is not feeling the way they should be feeling, right? So say you be like, what's wrong? You be like, nothing. You be like, okay. Then they want to have an attitude. They want to be like, like, don't touch me. Like, acting mad stink. Like, and it's just like, bro, what's the matter? Like, if I got you tight, just say I got you tight. Because if it's the other way around, best believe I'ma tell you if you got me tight. So why you can't just speak up? Like, there's no problem in having feelings. I know you have feelings. It's just when you keep them inside, you don't make yourself hate me. Like, I don't want you to hate me. Speak up. Speak up, poppies. Like, because what are y'all scared of? Like, y'all be doing a lot worse. Don't be scared because you don't want to speak up. Just take this ass whooping. Period. Okay. Selfish. You niggas is selfish. The last one is that we hate the most. First of all, not even when we hate the most. Before I even get to the last one, another thing that we hate is when y'all like try to act like we crazy to, let me see. So y'all know y'all be wrong. Y'all know y'all be wrong. And y'all try to flip it back on us like we insecure or we're crazy or we're just bugging. Like 8 times out of 10, we know what we talking about. Granted, everybody has a little insecurity. Everybody has a little bit of crazy in them. But for the most part, I'm not bugging for no reason. There's a reason why I'm bugging. And you trying to avoid the reason why I'm bugging. By trying to flip it on me. Like, what are you doing? You ain't fooling nobody. Anyways. I got tight. So the last one, the thing we hate the most, like, it really irks my soul when a nigga do this, like, because it's so selfish. We hate when y'all have the nerve to eat off our food without asking. Granted, I don't like when you trying to eat my food anyways. I might ask for a little taste of yours, but I'm asking for a little taste. But you already know that I need everything that goes into my body, and you gonna ask me to give you some food? And then on top of that, when y'all don't ask and just be grabbing, are you dumb? Have you lost your marbles? Don't touch my plate without permission, because you gonna get yourself killed. Okay? Okay. Period. But that was the last one on the list. So I'll probably do a next one because I like these. I like these. I like these. I like these. I'll probably do another one because I had fun. I be having fun. Like, I really be feeling like I'm talking to somebody. Like, obviously I'm talking to somebody, but like when I'm like recording, I'll be like, and my hair came out dumb cute. You guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. That'll be great. And I'll be back soon, probably with the hair video, cause I be slacking. I'm tired. Oh, I'm out of shape. I'll be slacking with the hair videos, but I don't know. So bye guys. I'ma holla at you guys, and I'ma see ya in the next video.